In this video, we're going to look at how to make an offer in Kajabi. What you're going to do is go to your sales tab and then go down to offers, click that, create your first offer. The only way to sell your products is with an offer. Simply attach your product to an offer, set a price, and package it. First, let me just mention that on Kajabi, I love how your product, like let's say your course, is separate from your offer. So it says the only way to sell your product is with an offer. Here's why this matters. There are some online course provider, online course host that will allow you to build a course and attach a price to it and sell that course for that price. The course is $297. That's the price. That's what it sells for. And it's really, really, really hard to change that price unless you change it across the board every time that course is sold, because that's what that product cost. On Kajabi, it's different. You build the product first, and then you build the offer that's going to contain that product. So for example, let's say that we have that course that's $297 and we want to sell it. Well, I can build an offer and put that course inside that offer, price it at $297 and sell it all day long. But if down the road, I want to sell the course with a membership community attached to it, I can build that offer and I can sell it for $397, or I can sell it for $297 upfront and then $19 a month ongoing. I can do whatever I want because Kajabi allows me to do that. So as we build this offer, just keep in mind that we are going to build an offer for the product that we've made. And if you're just joining me, this is actually day 13 of a series I'm doing called Your First 30 Days on Kajabi, where we've been walking through exactly what to do in the first 30 days that you join the platform. And by the way, if you're not on Kajabi, you can use my link to sign up, get a free 30-day trial at lanesebring.com/Kajabi. But you don't just get a free trial, you actually get amazing bonuses. My Kajabi Accelerator course, which will help you get up and running. My top 3 mistakes that new Kajabi users make. And it's an exclusive masterclass that I made to help you avoid some common mistakes that I discovered helping 400 people get started on Kajabi. And then you can also get my 25K course launch email template. All of that is yours when you use my link to sign up, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. So this, like I said, is day 13. And yesterday, where we left off, we actually had built a product. We built a coaching product and we called it My Awesome Coaching Program. And where we left off was the offer portion of it. We had not yet attached an offer to this product. And so what I'm going to go ahead and do, now that we've built our coaching product, I'm going to go ahead and attach an offer to it. Let clients purchase your products with an offer, set different prices for the same products, allow payment plans, or bundle products together. So I'm going to hit new offer. What products are you selling? Selling has never been easier. We'll help you price and sell your offer in a couple steps. So the offer title is going to be Coaching with Lane. No points for creativity there. Select one or more products. So My Awesome Coaching Program is already selected. I'm going to hit continue. Now this is going to be a paid product. Now I mentioned this before, but in order to begin accepting payments, I actually have to connect Kajabi payments. And so if I click here, it's going to take me to this page, the Connect to Kajabi Payments. Kajabi Payments allows me to accept Visa, MasterCard, Google Pay, Apple Pay, and Afterpay. Now, I've already done that over on my main Kajabi site. I haven't on here yet, but I'm still going to click continue and go to the next step. So customize your checkout, apply your brand, and decide what information to collect during the checkout experience. So I'm going to go to my kind of orange color. Complete my purchase is what the button is going to say. Checkout fields. I want to get their address. That's for tax purposes. I'm going to get their name, and then allow customers to consent to the terms and conditions policy for your business. So let's say that we want to put in terms and conditions. This is where you can, kind of express guarantees and refund policies. So you can do that if you want. And so I'm going to hit default text. And so this is where I would hit save and finish to complete this offer. Now, I want to show you inside an offer that I've had for a long time over at Preaching Donkey. This is for my course called Killer Sermons Academy. You can see all of the details here, the title of the offer, the internal title that I look at, what's included with the offer. So I mentioned this, that you package the offer and then you decide what products go in it. And so this offer contains Killer Sermons Academy, the course, and then the platinum level bonuses, which is itself a product. And then from there, you can go to the checkout page, and this is what people see when they're actually checking out. So I can write all of the kind of data that I need them to know. And a lot of this is taken from the sales page, which we'll talk about a little bit later. But all of this is kind of the information that they need to know as they're finalizing this purchase: email address and their card number. Now, this right here is what's called an order bump. And this is one of the things that I love about Kajabi, is that they can check a little box and add Storytelling Secrets Masterclass, which is a video workshop that I'm charging $47 for. They can add that to the purchase and then hit complete purchase. So that's what it looks like on their end. So what you can do now is go ahead and build an offer for the coaching package that you put together. And to get step-by-step instructions to make your first $1,000 a month in passive income in your spare time with your online business, go to lanesebring.com/workshop. This is my Turn What You Know into Dough workshop, where I'm going to show you exactly how to do that first $1,000 a month. And I'm even going to show you how to make your first $1,000 in the next 2 weeks. That's at lanesebring.com/workshop. So be sure to make your offer, kind of play around with what Kajabi can do, attach it to your coaching product that you've built, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 14.